In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot site downtime on Bluehost. Picture this. You're excited about the content on your website, but then you find out it's not loading. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, we can figure this out together. Firstly, let's start with some basic checks, because sometimes the simplest steps solve the problem. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores data from various websites, and outdated files can sometimes lead to issues in how a website is rendered or displayed. Clearing these files can give your browser a fresh start and may resolve the issue. Sometimes, using an alternative browser or trying to access the site in an incognito window can give you insights into whether it's a browser-specific issue. In this private mode, extensions or particular settings that might inadvertently block your site are disabled, giving you a cleaner slate to work from. It's a good litmus test to see if the issue persists across different environments. With these initial steps, you've already covered the basics. Troubleshooting isn't about making drastic changes right off the bat. It's about eliminating possible causes step by step. Sometimes, the problem lies in something as simple as an overzealous extension or a corrupted cache file. Now, let's say these steps haven't restored access to your website. It's time to look a bit deeper into potential issues with Bluehost itself or your account settings there. It's still part of the larger puzzle that we need to solve. And the basic checks have at least confirmed that your browser environment isn't the culprit. Remember, not all downtimes are because of issues on your end. Bluehost might have issues, such as server maintenance or outages. Checking Bluehost's status page or their social media platforms can provide such updates and give you peace of mind that it's being worked on. If after these steps your website is still not accessible, your next move should be to consult with the Bluehost support team. They have the tools and insights needed to determine if the issue lies with server configuration or requires back-end attention. Clear communication will expedite the troubleshooting, so prepare any details or changes made during your first few checks to share with them. By methodically working through these steps, you can often zero in on the source of your site downtime and resolve the issue in a logical order without the frustration of lurking variables. While occasional technical hiccups are part and parcel of running a website, knowing how to dissect these problems, starting with fundamental checks, gives you a big advantage in maintaining your online presence smoothly. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your website.